Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hello viewers. Today we will learn about more than 250 objects used in the classroom. And this video will enhance your English vocabulary. Let's start now. This is a pencil and it is used for writing. This is an eraser and it is used for erasing mistakes. This is a pencil sharpener and it is used for sharpening pencils. These are crayons and they are used for coloring. This is a pen and it is used for writing. These are markers and they are used for drawing and coloring. These are colored pencils and they are used for drawing and coloring. These are highlighters and they are used for highlighting important text. This is a glue stick and it is used for sticking papers together. These are scissors and they are used for cutting paper. This is a ruler and it is used for measuring and drawing straight lines. This is a notebook and it is used for writing notes. This is a folder and it is used for organizing papers. These are paper clips and they are used for clipping papers together. This is a stapler and it is used for stapling papers together. These are staples and they are used with a stapler. These are paper punching tools and they are used for punching holes in papers. These are sticky notes and they are used for writing reminders. These are whiteboard markers and they are used for writing on whiteboards. This is chalk and it is used for writing on chalkboards. These are chalkboard erasers and they are used for erasing chalk from chalkboards. This is a whiteboard and it is used for writing with markers. This is a chalkboard and it is used for writing with chalk. This is correction fluid and it is used for covering mistakes in writing. These are craft sticks and they are used for making crafts. This is glitter and it is used for decorating crafts. This is a glue bottle and it is used for sticking things together. This is a tape dispenser and it is used for holding tape. This is masking tape and it is used for taping things together. This is duct tape and it is used for strong, durable taping. This is double-sided tape and it is used for sticking things together on both sides. These are chalkboard erasers and they are used for erasing chalk from chalkboards. This is a clipboard and it is used for holding paper while writing. This is a bulletin board and it is used for displaying papers and notes. These are push pins and they are used for pinning things to a bulletin board. These are rubber bands and they are used for holding things together. These are safety pins and they are used for pinning fabric together. These are magnets and they are used for sticking things to metal surfaces. This is a paperweight and it is used for keeping papers in place. These are desk organizers and they are used for keeping desks tidy. This is a pencil case and it is used for holding pencils and pens. This is a pencil pouch and it is used for holding smaller items like erasers and sharpeners. This is a backpack and it is used for carrying books and supplies. This is a lunchbox and it is used for carrying lunch. This is a water bottle and it is used for carrying water. This is a desk lamp, and it is used for lighting up a desk. This is a desk calendar, and it is used for keeping track of dates. This is a desk clock, and it is used for keeping track of time. These are file folders and they are used for organizing papers. These are envelopes and they are used for sending letters. These are rubber stamps and they are used for stamping ink on paper. These are ink pads and they are used with rubber stamps. These are stencils and they are used for tracing shapes. These are binder clips and they are used for holding large stacks of paper. These are sheet protectors and they are used for protecting papers. These are labels and they are used for labeling things. These are desk trays and they are used for organizing papers on a desk. These are bookends and they are used for holding books upright. This is a file cabinet and it is used for storing files. This is a wastebasket and it is used for throwing away trash. This is a desk chair, and it is used for sitting at a desk. This is a study table, and it is used for studying. This is a desk, and it is used for writing and working. This is a bookcase, and it is used for storing books. This is a whiteboard eraser, and it is used for erasing whiteboard. This is a student planner, and it is used for keeping track of assignments. This is an agenda book, and it is used for keeping track of daily activities. These are wall charts and they are used for displaying information. These are maps and they are used for studying geography. These are alphabet charts and they are used for learning letters. These are number charts and they are used for learning numbers. These are reading books and they are used for reading. These are storybooks and they are used for enjoying stories. These are textbooks and they are used for learning in class. These are workbooks and they are used for practicing what is learned in class. These are flashcards and they are used for studying. These are educational games and they are used for learning through play. These are puzzles and they are used for developing problem-solving skills. These are educational DVDs and they are used for visual learning. These are classroom computers and they are used for learning through technology. These are tablets and they are used for interactive learning. These are interactive whiteboards and they are used for interactive lessons. These are projectors and they are used for displaying lessons. These are headphones and they are used for listening to audio lessons. These are earbuds and they are used for personal audio listening. These are microphones and they are used for speaking into sound systems. These are speakers and they are used for playing sound in the classroom. These are printers and they are used for printing documents. These are photocopiers and they are used for copying documents. These are scanners and they are used for scanning documents. These are staple removers and they are used for removing staples from papers. These are pencil grips and they are used for making writing comfortable. These are reading corners and they are used for quiet reading time. These are art easels and they are used for holding artwork while painting. These are paint brushes and they are used for painting. These are watercolors and they are used for painting with water. These are acrylic paints and they are used for painting on canvas. These are poster paints and they are used for painting posters. These are paint palettes and they are used for mixing paint. These are canvas boards and they are used for painting. These are art paper and they are used for drawing and painting. These are sketchbooks and they are used for sketching. These are drawing pads and they are used for drawing. These are graph paper and they are used for math and drawing. These are chart paper and they are used for making charts. These are name tags and they are used for identifying students. These are fish tanks and they are used for keeping classroom pets. These are stopwatches and they are used for timing activities. These are classroom bells and they are used for signaling transitions. These are science kits and they are used for conducting experiments. These are geometry sets and they are used for learning geometry. These are protractors and they are used for measuring angles. These are compasses and they are used for drawing circles. These are magnifying glasses and they are used for magnifying small objects. These are microscopes and they are used for observing tiny objects. These are test tubes and they are used for holding liquids during experiments. These are beakers and they are used for measuring and mixing liquids. These are thermometers and they are used for measuring temperature. These are weather charts and they are used for tracking weather. These are lab coats and they are used for protecting clothes during experiments. These are safety goggles and they are used for protecting eyes during experiments. These are first aid kits and they are used for treating minor injuries. These are hand sanitizers and they are used for keeping hands clean.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.